In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change appearance on Patreon. If you want to make Patreon more comfortable to look at, especially in lower light, or if you simply prefer a different visual style, changing the appearance is quick and easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to switch to dark mode. To begin, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the site has loaded, you'll be on your main Patreon interface, where you can access your account and settings options. Take a moment to let the page fully load so all of the navigation elements appear clearly on screen. This will make it easier to find the appearance controls without missing anything. Next, look down to the bottom left corner of the Patreon screen. There, you'll see a 3-dot menu. This is a small but important menu that contains additional options related to your account and interface settings. Click the 3 dots to open it. If you don't spot it right away, just check the very bottom area of the left-hand sidebar, since that's where it appears. After opening that menu, look for the appearance option labeled Dark. Click on Dark to change Patreon's appearance to dark mode. As soon as you select it, the interface should update, giving the site a darker background and a more subdued overall look. This can help reduce eye strain for some users and can also make the platform feel cleaner and easier to browse, depending on your preference. That's all it takes to change the appearance on Patreon. It's a very simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable the site feels during regular use. If you spend a lot of time reading posts, checking memberships, or managing creator content, adjusting the appearance can improve your overall experience. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh visually. In most cases, the update happens right away, but a brief pause is completely normal. Also, if you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same 3-dot menu and adjust the appearance again from there. And that's how to change its appearance on Patreon. Once you know where the menu is, it only takes a few seconds to update the look of your account and make the platform better suited to your viewing preference.